This is called a discus. The medicine in here is a really tiny powder. You were given this medicine as part of a way to help you breathe better and maybe not cough as much. Because you are the most important member of the team that's working to help you breathe better, I want to show you how to get the medicine from this discus way down into your lungs so it can help you. The first thing I want you to do is to look here to see what number it's on. If the number is 0, it's out of medicine and you need to get another discus. If the number is bigger than 0, then you're good to start. When it's time to take your medicine, hold the discus flat with one hand. Put the thumb of your other hand in this little notch and push it away from you until you hear a click like this. You should see this part with a hole in it. This is called the mouthpiece, and another little thing that slides called a lever. Slide the lever away from you until it clicks to get the medicine ready for you like this. Do not shake the discus because the powder may spill out. Now it's ready to use. Sit up nice and tall with your head straight. You don't want your head down while taking this because the medicine can't reach deep into your lungs if your head is down. I want you to hold the discus with both hands like a hamburger away from your mouth. Now breathe out all the way like you're blowing out a candle. Be sure to never ever blow into this hole of the discus because you'll blow the powder out. After you've blown all of the air out of your lungs, keep your head up, put the discus in your mouth, and close your lips around it like you would a straw. Take a fast, deep breath in through your mouth until you can't breathe in anymore. It looks like this. After you breathe in, take the discus away from your mouth, close your lips, and hold your breath as long as you can while blinking up to 10 times very slowly or counting to 10 in your head or on your fingers, but not out loud. When you can't hold your breath any longer, then breathe out. Place your thumb back in the notch and slide it back until you hear a click telling you that it's closed like this. If your instructions say to take another puff, start over again and do everything again like you just did before. After you finish, swish water around in your mouth and then spit the water in the sink. Don't swallow it. This will keep you from getting white stuff in your mouth, which is a fungus called thrush. We don't want any fungus among us. Finally, it's important to keep the discus in a dry place and don't ever put it in water.